Long, long ago, there lived a popsicle stick king, and he went around looking for a popsicle stick queen. And when she came along, they were very happy. So now we're going to learn how to make these beautiful and easy popsicle stick puppets. You need a wooden spoon and you need 4 popsicle sticks, a scissor, fevicol, pencil, marker, sketch pens, googly eyes, or you could use stickers, some origami sheets, wool, laces. Let's begin. Take a wooden spoon and start with 3 popsicle sticks. Take the wooden spoon and cut it into half. So this becomes your head. Next, you take the next ice cream stick and cut it into half. Now, these two become your hands. Now these two, you'll keep it aside and you'll take the 4th popsicle stick and cut it again in half. And one of the halves, you'll cut it further into half. Like this. We will not be needing this piece. Now I take the origami sheet and I turn it over. Now I'm going to place these sticks in such a way that they form a structure, keeping the smaller piece on the top and the broader piece at the bottom. I'm going to hold these sticks together and neatly trace it out so that I get a nice shape which will be my puppet's costume, the dress. Cut it out. Now I'm using a handmade paper here which is white on one side, hence I've traced it on the white side like this. Okay, now let's color these popsicle sticks which will be the dress or the body. I'm coloring them to make them look attractive. It is optional. You could also use colored popsicle sticks which are available in the market. Time to now paint the hands. You can make a sleeve if you wish to and then color it with a sketch pen. Now we are going to stick these pieces on the paper. Take your white adhesive and stick your popsicle sticks. These will take time to dry. Be patient. Turn it around and get ready to stick the hands. Stick them a little below. Now we'll stick it in such a way that there is enough space for the neck to fit, which is the spoon, like this. Now let's work on the head. We have to make some nice hair now. Roll the wool around your hands like this. Now snip one of the sides. Now pick up one thread and tie. And this becomes the hair of your puppet. If your character has long hair, this is perfect. Let's see how it looks. Cool. This is how it starts looking now. See. Now the body. Now we're going to use this part to stick below so that controlling of the puppet becomes easy. This was the spoon part which we had cut in half. Keep it aside to dry and get your head now. Now time for the eyes. I'm using stickers as they are faster. Next, I could tie the hair with a small piece of cloth. This is totally optional. Take a permanent marker now and draw out the eyebrows, the mouth, and the nose. Now, I take a piece of cloth and I make a veil for her. Look how I'm turning the cloth. Snip to the material required and paste it behind the stick. Now attach this to the body. Be patient, this takes time to dry. I'm done. You could add some more elements like fixing a scarf. My puppet is done. It's ready. Make some more like these, like you saw in the beginning, and enjoy. Have fun making them. You could also make some other puppets where I've replaced the wooden spoons with card paper.